What's good, everybody? It's your boy Young King Millions. Today's video, you've probably already seen it on the thumbnail or in the title. I will be comparing a pair of replica zebras to a pair of retail zebras. I want to say this first. This is for educational purposes only. I do not condone nor do I promote sites that sell replicas. This is literally just to help you guys understand what to look for when purchasing these zebras. They are one of the most coveted V2s. So I wanted to give you guys a detailed look on the retails to replicas. Funny story about this, I purchased this on the Facebook market. A young gentleman was trying to sell them off as retail. I DM'd him and called him out publicly. I was able to get this for $50 just for this video only. So I purchased the sneaker and I wanted you guys to see what to look for because a lot of people were actually bidding on these shoes. Let's go put them on feet so I can show you the details and what to look for. All right, so the retail pair is going to be this loosely laced Yeezy here, the one that's on your screen right now. That is the retail pair. The replica pair is going to be this pair here. One pair is a 12.5, which is the replica, and my retail pair is a size 11, which is my true size. One area you're going to want to look at is the font. It looks like they've fixed this where the color used to be a lot darker, but it's just a hint darker now. Also, you don't want to look at the spacing between the pull tab and the lettering because that can differ from shoe to shoe. But the pull tab itself is constructed a whole lot different than the retail. As you can see, it's a little bit more flexible on the retail compared to that replica. It almost has this hard thing in the middle. The stitching on the toe box is also gonna be an area you wanna look at. It's a lot cleaner on the retail than it is on the replica. I wanted to try to see if you guys can see the color differences outdoors. As you can see, this is the retail pair. It's a little bit lighter compared to the replica pair that I'm gonna show you here, but you can kind of tell, but it is very, very hard to pick out here. And then also the stitching, I just mentioned the stitching earlier as well. Another area you're going to want to look at is going to be the tongue of the shoe. As you can see, it's a little bit more flimsy on the replica compared to the retail. Another area that normally they get wrong, but it's hard for them to get wrong, is the coloring of the stripes. But how can you get white and black wrong? So that's an area that is really hard unless you're mutant to tell the difference. It's going to be hard. Another area is going to be the labeling inside of the shoes. But I didn't go into too much detail with that. And also the boost. Since both shoes were really worn, I didn't want to put my hands on the boost to tell the difference. But those are going to be areas you want to look at. If you know of other areas to look at, comment below. Let's help out the sneaker community. I don't want people purchasing replicas when they're trying to purchase retail. This is the purpose for these videos. It's for educational purposes only. I do not condone nor do I promote sites that sells replicas. So please don't DM me. This video again is solely to educate you guys. We'll see you guys next week with another video. Let's go.